So, when we were kids, adults made it look so easy.
They had keys. They had money. They had answers.
No one warned us that adulthood is basically just Googling things while tired and hoping for the best.
Because tell me why being an adult feels like this. You wake up tired, you go to sleep tired, and somehow you did nothing and everything all day.
When we were younger, adulthood sounded like freedom. Turns out it's mostly bills, dishes, and keeping the plants alive. But hey, at least we get to pick our own breakfast.
You can eat cake whenever you want. You don't have to ask permission. You make your own rules.
What they didn't say was,
you can eat cake whenever you want, but it will emotionally damage you for 3 business days.
You don't need permission, but you'll still feel guilty for resting.
You make your own rules, and also somehow blame yourself for not following rules no one explained?
Young you, driving a cool car, laughing.
He's always feeling good. He's sitting in silence, wondering if the laundry smells off.
Here's the weird part about being an adult. No one officially tells you, hey, you're in charge now.
One day you're just like, oh, I guess I'm the adult.
There's no tutorial, no onboarding, no customer support, just us and the blinking lights.
Your car makes a noise? That's on you.
Your mental health is struggling? That's also on you. Congratulations. You played yourself. And the wildest part? Everyone else seems like they know what they're doing.
But let me tell you a secret. They don't. We are all just pretending. Some of us are just better dressed.
Another thing no one warned us about? Time stops making sense.
5 minutes feels like 5 seconds. 5 years feels like last Tuesday?
You'll say things like, wow, that was ages ago, and it was 2019.
You'll blink, and suddenly you're emotionally attached to a random mug because it's always been there for you.
And weekends? They're just 2 short naps between responsibilities.
What was that?
Being an adult is emotional whiplash.
One moment you're like, I'm growing, I'm healing, I'm proud of myself. And then the world keeps moving, and you realize you're still right here, still you.
Why did I say that thing in 2014?
You'll cry over serious stuff. Bills, burnout, loneliness.
and then cry over stupid stuff, like dropping food, or a song, or realizing no one taught you how to rest without guilt.
You're expected to be strong, but also kind, but also productive, but also creative, but also perfect, but also effortless, but also happy. And you're supposed to hide the struggle the whole time.
But not needy, but not distant. It's exhausting just listening to the expectations.
I'm feeling no one talks about how adulthood quietly asks you to grieve things.
Your younger self, your old energy, the version of you who thought life would start someday. Spoiler alert, this is the start.
Being an adult is hard because you're making decisions with incomplete information.
While tired, while healing, while trying not to mess up.
It's hard because you're expected to function even when life doesn't pause to let you catch your breath.
It's hard because you're doing things for the first time. Jobs, relationships, boundaries, saying no, saying yes, letting go.
And no one claps for you when you survive a normal day, but maybe they should.
Humor break. Quick laughs. Because let's be real, a little silliness does more for morale than a whole pot of coffee.
Bloom! Months in groceries, and why does buying groceries feel like budgeting for a small war?
Why does what's for dinner feel like the hardest question of the day?
Why do we need 3 to 5 business days to emotionally recover from social interaction?
Why? Why? Does everyone suddenly care about pillows?
Here's the truth. Being an adult isn't hard because you're failing. It's hard because it's just hard. And you're doing better than you think.
It's hard because it's genuinely hard.
You're not behind. You're not broken. You're not doing life wrong.
You're just human. In a world that forgot humans need rest, connection, and grace. And if no one has told you this lately, you're doing better than you think.
Right. So let me ask you, what's the weirdest thing about being an adult that no one warned you about?
Is it the exhaustion? The loneliness? The constant overthinking? Or the fact that naps now feel illegal but necessary?
Drop it in the comments.
Let's be honest together. Because if adulthood is going to be this weird...
I mean, none of it went the way we planned. But you know what? We might as well laugh about it.
Growing up didn't get easier.
But at least now, we're not alone.
It's moving. Like a real ocean. Feels like we could just step inside. Maybe one day we will.
Impact imminent. Initiating lockdown protocol. Brace for containment.
That's better.
We're right here with you.
Thanks. Feels good knowing I'm not alone.
Always, mate. Whatever comes.
We'll face it together.
That means everything.
Got it.